Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can replace sky in your video using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut application. And first of all, I'm going to add a video to replace my sky. I'm going to add like cinematic video to replace the sky in my video. We can tap on overlay and tap on add overlay. And for instance, I'm going to replace my sky with this video. I got this video from the internet, guys. You can download it from internet, or you can also go to the CapCut library to get this kind of video. And I'm going to click on add. Okay, and I'm going to zoom in to fit the screen. And we're going to scroll all the way to the right until we find the mask option. You can select mask and choose the horizontal mask. Okay, and I'm just going to adjust the position like this, and I'm going to drag this little arrow down. Okay, and to make it more natural, I recommend you to go to the blend mode or the blend feature, or it's called splice now. Click on splice and choose the blend mode, the best blend mode for your video. And I'm going to try it one by one. I think this one looks better, and I'm going to click on the check mark, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to replace sky in our video using CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.